Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. If you want a tool that offers deep diagnostics, easy Bluetooth connectivity, and pro-level features, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Product features: bidirectional control and active testing. The MooCar Driver Scan stands out with its bidirectional control. This feature allows you to send commands directly to the car's components, like activating fuel pumps or testing windows, making diagnostics more precise and hands-on. Comprehensive vehicle coverage. Supporting over 106 car brands, this scanner covers nearly every make and model on the road. It can read all available system modules from engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission to steering, TPMS, and air conditioning, offering complete vehicle diagnostics. 15 maintenance reset functions. This device provides 15 key reset functions, including oil reset, injector coating, ABS bleeding, SAS reset, and TPMS reset. Instead of paying a mechanic for routine jobs, you can save time and money by performing resets yourself with just a few clicks. User-friendly setup. Ease of use is at the core of the MooCar Driver Scan. Simply plug it into your OBD port, connect via Bluetooth, and use the ThinkDiag Plus app on your smartphone. Within minutes, you can start diagnosing your car even with zero prior experience. Bluetooth wireless connectivity. Say goodbye to tangled cables. The scanner uses Bluetooth to connect seamlessly with your phone or tablet. This wireless design makes it convenient to move around the vehicle while running tests and ensures a clean, clutter-free experience. Pros: professional-level bidirectional testing. Supports 106 car brands and multiple systems. Includes 15 maintenance reset functions. Easy Bluetooth pairing with the ThinkDiag Plus app. Saves money on mechanic visits. Cons: some advanced features may require learning. App requires internet for updates. Works best on modern vehicles, not older pre-OBDI models. Final thoughts. The MooCar Driver Scan is truly the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner for anyone who wants advanced diagnostics without the expensive shop fees. With broad compatibility, wireless convenience, and professional-grade functions, it's a must-have tool for car owners and enthusiasts alike. Your car deserves smarter care. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more smart tech recommendations.